Hi there. Uh, I'm gonna talk about a state of Mexico called Veracruz. I'm gonna talk about some characteristics like climate, how to get there, uh, the how do the government take care about the water pollution and stuff like that. So the physical condition of Veracruz facilitate human settlement that lead to the first great civilization of Mesoamerica, the Olmecas. Likewise, settled in the state and other cultures such as Totonac and Toltec, Otomi, and Huastecos as well. Uh, distinguished as they were excellent sculptors because, as you remember, or have you ever seen the big heads of National Park of Veracruz? There are monumental stone sculptures of colossal heads, and they're like perfectly made. Uh, as for the extension dates, are considered as the indicators of this field who represent their numbers by dots, stripes, and sign equal to zero. The main activities of the civilization was fishing and harvesting like corn, beans, chili, pumpkin, and zapote. There were grading hunters and fishers. Now I'm gonna talk about uh, like the how the government take care about the water pollution. So the steps of the urban water cycle about Veracruz is the recruitment, the purification, distribution, consumption, sewage purification, and return to water. Uh, they all take all these points, and in the consumption and sewage they use uh, they use treat water. Well, they treat the water that they consume, and it goes like wastewater, like the you use from the WC. There are like 50 cities or rural cities that have at least one plant of treat of water. The pollutant load division is done in 99 plants or sites that the majority that are the 60%, 64% have primary type of process, while the little less than is less than a third is like 28% are made are so-called process of type secondary or conventional, like when you put like sand, rocks, and that, and you pass water through a tube, it goes the water in there, and the rock purifies, and the sand and that stuff purifies the water and make it cleaner. Uh, they use like Belica filters, activate sludge, and or dual system mainly. Uh, the lakes, rivers, and gulfs and that continental and ocean waters are well, I'm going to tell you some of them, like the Catemaco Lake, uh, the river Tuxpan, Cazones, Bobos, and Tecolutla, or well, Bobos no, it's like dummies, if you want to call it like that, dummies. And the Gulfs are the Gulf of Mexico, obviously. Bays are the Bay of San Juan of Ula and the Bay of Veracruz, that it was used by the Spains in the colonial settlements, like the principal way to transport the gold from Mexico to Spain. Then now I'm going to talk about physical characteristics of Veracruz. The wildlife is extremely varied and consists numerous birds ranging from toucans and hummingbirds to large raptors and mammals such as bears, spiders, howlers, two jaguars and panthers, or like monkeys too. Reptiles are like snakes, rattlesnakes, boas, turtles, lizards, and dangerous nayucas, wild silently through the countless lagoons and French streams. And I forgot to tell you about the inlets to get to Veracruz. For example, that I'm here in I don't know, in the state of Jalisco. There are you made 8 hours from the capital of Jalisco, that is Guadalajara. You make like 8 hours to the center of Veracruz, that is the capital of Veracruz is Veracruz. It's the same. I just want to tell you that, and thanks for listening to me, and goodbye.